Hello YouTube, thank you so much for coming to this video. This is Shania Ray, and today we're going to be talking about a game changer in the makeup world, in the eyelashes world. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. I do pranks, I do beauty such as Fashion Nova, and once in a while, makeup videos like this. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and comment down below if you have anything you want to say about these lashes. So let's get into the video. Now, like I said, I'm going to be talking about what could be a possible game changer when it comes to eyelashes. If you're anything like me, putting on fake eyelashes is nearly impossible. Maybe it is impossible and you can't do it, because I can't. I tried before, and trust me, yeah, maybe I'll insert the picture, I don't know. But I tried before and it's just like to the point where I gave up. I have like fake lashes just in my makeup bag, just sitting there, and they're never gonna be touched again. So for the item, these here are magnetic eyelashes and magnetic eyeliner. Yeah, you heard me right. Some of you may have heard of the magnetic lashes, where you have two lashes that you have to sandwich onto your eyelashes and just very hard. Most people hated it. This is not the same thing. This is different. So this here is the Ari Shine brand. I got this from Amazon. Now let me tell you a little something about this. I ordered from them once. They first had like 3 pairs of lashes and then like the eyeliner or whatever, and I got it and it was damaged. Like the package was kind of open, and they didn't have all this. It was like a pink package with nothing else, no words really, and it looked used, the bottle of eyeliner. So I was like, no, I'm sending that back. Like, I'm not taking that. So I sent it back and ordered this on the same day, because they changed it and now they have, it looks much better. It looks actually like a professional brand now. Like, this doesn't look bad or whatever. So let's look inside of the box. But first, okay, if you can see, here is the box. It says eyeliner and eyelashes, eyelash kit. And it comes with 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliners, 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, and 1 eyelash applicator. Let's open the box. Okay, so give you a little unboxing here. When you first open the box, this is what you see. It's upside down. This is what you see. This is what you get. The 5 pairs of lashes, and before they had like 3 pairs of the same kind. So this is much better. You get like some small, like everyday ones. And then the rest they said are like party and event, like wedding or something. So these are like the same as my natural lashes, so I'm not gonna use those. Maybe these, I don't know. We're gonna see how they look. Like I said, I don't have much experience with lashes, so I don't know how they really are gonna look on me, big or small, like what is gonna work best for me, I don't know. So here are the eyeliners, and here is the applicator. But from most videos that I've seen, it's easier to just use your fingers. So let's get into this. I'm excited. I'm just gonna take first a eyeliner tube and open it up, show you guys. Okay. It's hard to why is this so hard to take out? It's on the side of the tube now. But anyways, let's do a little swatch. If you don't know why I'm doing a swatch of eyeliner on my hand, it's because we're gonna see how well these lashes stick to the eyeliner on my hand first. Okay, so I just have it there just a little bit. And let's see if this one says like wait for it to dry, because some of them do say that and others say, oh, do it before it dries. So let's read. How to use. Dip the brush in the eyeliner, of course. Slowly guide the brush along your lash line, starting from inner corner of the eye towards the outer corner. Angle the brush tip from the outer corner of the eye upwards towards the end of the, okay, it's just like helping you create a cat eye. And then what was that? I'm here alone. What was that noise? Someone walked by, they probably sneezed, I don't know. Okay, yeah, I think it's dry. So now I'm just going to take, which ones? I'm going to take the middle ones. Here, I'm gonna take this one. And let's, yeah, just get it off of the magnet. They're all sitting on magnets here. So this here is a magnet. And it's on. There you have it. Like, it's not coming off. They're on there. Like, look. The only piece that came off was the piece, like, the eyeliner isn't all the way over here, so. But they're sturdy, so let's go ahead and put it on my eyes, shall we? Now, as far as coming off, it's like not coming off. Well, it's pulling. It's pulling the, see? Oh well. And let's do this eyeliner. Cute. I'm just gonna dip again. Yeah, so I'm not gonna blame like my eyeliner mishap on the product because I'm really bad at eyeliner. On to the actual application of the eyelash. Okay, so here's the one I chose. I don't know if you can see the magnets on there, but there's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5. That's big. Now I will tell you they are on, so like, you know, it's better than I've ever like experienced. Because usually, you know, of course they don't stay. You know the struggle with the eyelashes, the falsies with the glue and all that. So I will say, yeah, they're on, but they're a little much. So now I'm just gonna pop the other lash on. Okay, let's do this. I got stuck to my eyelash because my eyelashes have a lot of the eyeliner on them. It's just hard to not, you know, it's so liquidy. I'm back. So, like, what do you guys think? Okay, so let's give you guys a closer look. Here are the lashes. Okay, good, focus. Okay, good. Here are the lashes, closer up. So, what do you guys think? I will tell you, like, I know it looked like I had a bit of a struggle with the second application. I know. But I will tell you, it was really hard, like trying to record it and being up close, and the angle I had in my mirror, that was really hard. Then I went out camera and I just decided to, you know, just pop it on, and it popped on. Like, it was easy. So, like, the struggles that I had was just because of I'm recording it. If you're just doing it like every day, just put on your like lashes or whatever, it's not hard. Like, it's so easy. Like, I did it. If we were dealing with some lashes and glue, like the, you know, normal original falsies, this video just wouldn't have happened, or it just would have been a fail. But I'm gonna tell you, this is not a fail. It doesn't look horrible. The only reason why I'm a little like is because I'm not used to lashes. So, and my eyes are sensitive, so it's really heavy. But anyways, this was a success. These are a game changer, and I totally recommend, like, especially if you have issues like I do. I'm gonna leave the link down below, of course, to these lashes. And yeah, go get you some, honey. Don't miss out. Get your lashes. Like, stop being like, oh no, I just can't do lashes, they're not for me. Magnetic lashes, get you some. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, please like, and if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe. Like I said, pranks, beauty, vlogs, Japan, all that. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.